Let's meet Mr. Liam, an industrialist. For some industrial purposes, he needed to create some machining parts of his given designs. So, he was seeking custom CNC machining services from a top-rated manufacturer. One day, while scrolling through the internet, Mr. Liam found Createproto Rapid System Limited. He contacted them, discussed his requirements, and booked a service from them. With cutting-edge technology, they handled everything from CNC milling to turning, 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis CNC machining. Mr. Liam was relaxed and happy to get such top-notch CNC machining services from them. So, just like him, are you also seeking such CNC machining services? Contact Createproto Rapid System Limited today. Call +86755 28137 273 or visit createproto.com to get an instant quote.